Hi, families. This is Mrs. Cadena. Thank you for the warm welcome back. And welcome back to week 27, March 29th through the April 1st. Lots of big changes are coming, but for this current week, we're going to stay everyone together on Zoom. And I just wanted to go through what our independent work would be and our Zoom schedule, since I know it varied a little bit with Miss Sewell. So our independent, this is our Google Classroom that you are all familiar with. I'm up here in the Classwork tab, and I just want to take a look at our independent work and Zoom. This is week 27. So as you know, Monday is our short day, meeting with students from 8:30 to 9, and then they have independent work that they can do. Epic, like always, for 20 minutes. On Monday, type it in Google Classroom, and they can also explore the virtual classroom. They click here. We are on Unit 8, Week 3, and I took some time to create this classroom with spelling words, with our phonics pattern E-R-I-R-U-R says our decodable readers with that same spelling pattern, our high frequency words, our sight words, our vocabulary words, and options for students to play games with those words or read a book about our unit and observing the night sky. Also on Monday, I want them to do fact fluency on Moby Max. That's the green whale on Clever for 10 minutes. Also, Twig Science Animal Reporters. So you're going to click on the link. It'll take you to Twig Science. You might have to click it, log in with Clever. We're talking about animal reporters and what makes sounds. So you're going to scroll through this with your student, listen to each of the videos, and they're very short, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Do the activity, which is to listen to an animal sound and record what you hear. So you're going to tell me what animal that you hear, what's the volume, and what's the pitch. You're going to continue, watch the last video, and then draw an animal. And don't forget to click the blue button that says save, so I can see all of your save answers, so I can see all of your good work. That's Monday, and all of your independent work will be here for the rest of the week. And then we are early out on Friday. So students should be practicing their light blue sight words, which can be found here. This is our rainbow sight words. Oh my goodness, we're almost at the end of school, so they're on the light blue list. So students should be practicing this every day, along with their letters and sounds and counting. Thank you, parents, for helping your student complete their independent work. On Zoom, we'll have our morning meeting. We'll have ELA benchmark time. 9:30 to 10 is our phonics time. From 10 to 10:30, I'm going to meet with 2 reading groups every day. A red and a yellow on Tuesday and Thursday, and blue and green on Wednesday and Friday. And I will tell your students what groups they are in if they don't know already. But these are our reading groups for your reference. We're going to continue with writing. In the office, I put together some things for your students, and one of those things is this writing packet. There's 5 of them. So we're going to pick up in this writing packet. So please pick up that information or those materials in the office. For math, we are doing chapter 9. We're going to finish chapter 9 in Go Math. And then students have PE with Coach Moore on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1:30 to 2. And they click on Coach Moore. And as always, if you have any questions for me, feel free to jump on my Zoom link at 2:30 to 3. And I'm here. Thank you. Thank you for helping me get back in the swing of things. and I will see you soon. Bye.